Good afternoon, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home and studying again at home. Okay, I know your half yearly exam has been completed, finished, but still your term 2 syllabus is started. So you have to write daily in your notebook and you have to update your notebook daily whatever we are doing. Okay, you have to write in your notebook. Okay, so what we have done in our last lecture, we have started new chapter, that is chapter number 4, and the name of that chapter is addition and subtraction of a number up to number 10. Okay, so our first topic on it is addition, and I have told you, I have explained you the meaning of addition, that what is the meaning of addition. Addition means, what is the meaning of addition? Addition means putting things together. What is the meaning of addition? Putting things together. Whenever we put all the things together and we get a total number of amount, that is known as addition. Addition means putting things together. And what is the symbol of addition? The symbol of addition is like this. Okay, I told you how to make the symbol of addition using your index finger also. And how do we read this sign as, how do we read this symbol as plus also. Okay, we read this symbol as plus also. And in our previous lecture I have explained you some properties of addition also, isn't it? So again we will revise those properties. So what is the first property? That whenever we add 0 to any number, whenever we add 0 to any number, the answer we get is the number itself. जब हम 0 को किसी भी नंबर से ऐड करते हैं, प्लस करते हैं, सपोज 5 plus 0, so here we are adding 0 to number 5. So whenever we add 0 to any number, what answer we will get? We will get the number itself. The number itself as an answer. So 5 plus 0 will be 5. Similarly, 3 plus 0 will be 3. 9 plus 0 will be 9. Okay. So this is the property of addition, that whenever we add 0 to any number, we get answer the number itself. Okay. Now another property of addition is whenever we add 1 to any number, whenever we add 1 to a given number, what answer we will get? We will get answer the before number of a given number. Suppose we are adding 4 and in 4 we are adding 1. So what answer we will get? We will get before number as answer. So what is the before number of 4? Sorry, after number. Whenever we add 1 to any number, we will get answer as after number to the number from which 1 is adding. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. So 5 is the after number of 4. Suppose 7 plus 1. So the after number of 7 is 8. Okay. 9 plus 1. So 9 plus 1 is 10. So whenever we are adding 1 to any number, what answer we will get? We will get the after number as answer. Okay. So today we are doing new topic. Okay. What we are doing today? New topic, addition on number line. So all of you open your notebook. Open your notebook. And write today's topic, heading of today's topic. Start writing with me. Addition on the number line. Addition on the number line. This is the today's topic that we are going to do today. Okay, so first of all, write date. What is the date today? That you have to write this side, and on the top of your notebook, new page, write heading as addition on the number line. Write fast and write in good handwriting. So now first I am going to explain you how we add the numbers using the number line. So now you don't have to write anything, okay? You keep your pencils down and fold your hands and sit straight and only look at the board how we add the numbers using the number line. अभी आपको नहीं लिखना है, अभी आपको सिर्फ समझना है. Only you have to understand what I am explaining. No need to write, okay? So let us take one example. Suppose I am writing here one number 4 plus 3. One question I have written here 4 plus 3. So we have to add these two numbers 4 and 3 using the number line. Okay. So in this way we draw a number line. अभी आपको नहीं लिखना है, okay? And this is a number line, and we write number from 0 to 10 on this number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In this way we write numbers on number line. From number 0 to number 10. And see which numbers we have to add. We have to add 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. How do we read this? 4 plus 3. This is a symbol of addition, and how do we read this symbol of addition? As plus. 4 plus 3. Okay. So what is our first step? Our first step, in the beginning we are at number 0. Starting में हम किस नंबर पर रहते हैं? 0. And our first step is to jump from 0 to the given number. So what is the first number given? 4. What is the first number given here? 4. So we have to jump from 0 to 4 first. Okay. So from 0 to jump on number 4. Why we jump here on number 4? अब 0 से 4 पर क्यों आए? Because here the first number given is 4. Now what is the next number? 3. That means now we have to move 3 steps ahead. अब जो next number है उतनी steps हमें आगे की तरफ बढ़ना है. Okay, जैसे हम चलते हैं 1, 2, 3. Okay, in this way I walk 3 steps. Okay, so in the same way we have to move 3 steps ahead. Ahead means आगे की तरफ, इस तरफ on the number line. So the next number is 3. So move 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. And at which number we stop? We stop at number 7. So what is our number? What is our answer of addition of 4 and 3? The answer of our addition of 4 and 3 is 7. Once again I am explaining you. So look at the board. What is the number here? 4. So what is our first step? We have to jump from 0 to the first given number. So first given number is 4. So we jump from 0 to 4. Okay. Now what is our next step? In first step हम jump करते हैं, and in our second step we move one step. Okay. So in our second step we move 3 steps because the next given number is 3. So 3 steps, 1, 2 and 3. और हमें हमेशा एक एक नंबर पे चलना है. Okay. So we reach at number 7. So what is the answer? 7. If you want to check your answer, that whether your answer on number line is correct or not, so we add these two given numbers using our fingers also. So what is the first number given here? 4. The first number is 4. So take out 4 fingers in your hand. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. I have taken 4 fingers. Now see what is the next number, 3. Now 3 more fingers take in another hand, 1, 2 and 3. Now you have to put together and add all the fingers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. What is the answer? 7. And the answer on the number line is also 7. In this way we add the number using the number line. Okay. Now I hope you all have understood how we add the numbers using a number line. So start writing with me. First write the question. After your heading, you write the question. Write the question. Add the given numbers using number line. First, copy the question from the board. Add the given numbers using the number line. This is the question. First question is already solved in the book, but we are writing on the notebook. So write the first question first. What is the question given? 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3. Now draw the number line. So you use scale for drawing the line. Okay. Use scale for drawing the line. So draw straight line and write numbers from 0 to 10. You take one box and write numbers. Start writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. In this way you write the numbers. Suppose you are having box in your notebooks in this way. Okay. In maths book you are having box. So in this way you draw the line and in one line you write numbers. Okay. In this way you write numbers on the number line in your notebook. Draw the number line, straight line you have to draw and use a scale for drawing the line. Okay, now what is our first number? First number is 5. So first step you have to jump from 0 to number 5. So directly jump to number 5. Okay. Directly jump to number 5 because here the first number is 5. So we jump from 0 to number 5. Now what is the next step? We have to move one step. So how many steps we have to move? That is depend on the second number. So what is the second number here? The second number is 3. So we have to move 3 steps. So move 3 steps. 1, 2 and 3. कहाँ पहुँच गए? At which number you are at? We stop at number 8. So what is our answer of 5 plus 3 is also 8. Write fast. Write fast. Now the second question. Now the second question. What is the question given? 2 plus 6. We write 2 plus 6. Okay, again draw a number line. Start writing numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Now what is our first step? That we have to jump from 0 to the first given number. So what is the first given number? What is the first number given? The first number is 2. So we have to jump from 0 to number 2. So we reach at number 2. Now what is our next step? In our next step we move one step ahead. Okay. So how many steps we have to move ahead? That depend on second number. So what is the second number given here? The second number is 6. That means we have to move 6 steps from 2. So start moving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many steps we have moved? We have moved 6 steps. And at which number we stop? We stop at number 8. That means what is our answer? Our answer is number 8. That means the addition of 2 plus 6. The addition of 2 and 6. How do we read this question as 2 plus 6? The answer of 2 plus 6 will be 8. Now write fast. Write fast. Now the next question that is given in the book is three plus 4. Right? C 3 plus 4. Now again draw a number line. Draw straight line and write numbers from 0 to 10. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. In all the questions we have to draw a number line. Now what is our first step? That we have to jump from 0 to the first given number. So what is the first number given here? The number is 3. The first number that is given here is 3. So we have to jump from 0 to number 3. Now in our next step we move one step ahead. So how many steps we have to move? What is the next number? 4. So we have to move 4 steps. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. At which number we reach? We stop at number 7. Okay. So the answer of 4 plus 3 is also 7. Write this question fast. Write fast and copy correct from the board and use scale while you are drawing the number line. Okay, now the last question that is given in the book is 7 plus 2. Now, next question D. 7 plus 2. Again draw the number line. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Draw the number line first. Okay, now start solving the question with me. First we are at which number? First we are at number 0. Now we have to jump from 0 to the first given number. So what is the first number given here? 7. The first number given here is 7. That means we have to jump from 0 to number 7. Where is number 7? This side. So we jump from 0 to number 7. Now what is the next step? We have to move one step. So how many steps we have to move? That is depend on number, next number. So what is the next number here? 2. That means we have to move 2 steps. Move 2 steps. 1 and 2. कहाँ पहुँच गए? At number 9. That is answer of 7 plus 2 is 9. So write here 9. Copy the solution fast from the board. So only 4 questions are given in your book. So one extra question I am giving you just now. Solve it. Try to solve this question. देखें आपको आता है कि नहीं. So write E and try to do yourself this question. plus 5. आपको करना है, अभी करना है. Do yourself fast. Then I will give you some homework questions also for your practice. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. All of you have done the question? Fast. Check your answer. Now, what is the first step? That we have to jump to the first given number. So, the first given number is 4. So, from 0 we have to jump to the number 4. So, here we are at number 4. Now, what is the next step? That we have to move one step. Up. How many steps we have to move? That is depend on the second number. So, what is the second number given here? 5. So, we have to move 5 steps ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We reach at number 5. We reach at number 9. So, the number at which we stop is the answer. So, what is the answer of 4 plus 5 is 9. Okay. I hope you all have understood the question that how we add the numbers using the number line. So, 5 questions we have done. So, here I am writing homework question. So, after E, F, G, H and I. 4 questions I am writing. So, you have to solve these 4 questions in the same way using the number line. Okay. So, write 6 plus 3. 1 plus 5. Next is 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is already done. So, change the right here 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. Now, the next is 7 plus 3. So, 4 questions are there. 6 plus 3, 1 plus 5, 6 plus 1 and 7 plus 3. These 4 questions same you have to add the given numbers using the number line. Okay. So, till then have a nice day, good day and keep practicing maths at home.